32 taon sa industriya, 32 taon ng mabilis sa balita, 32 taon na naghahatid ng balitang sports at showbiz. Happy 32nd anniversary, Abante Tonight!
To all the people behind the Abante Tonight, happy 32nd anniversary. More power. Stay safe, everyone.
Hi, this is Yayo Aguila wishing Abante Tonight a happy 32nd anniversary. More power to you guys. God bless you and see you soon.
Maligayang 32 anibersaryo sa Abante Tonight. Nawa ay lagi kayong matagumpay sa inyong pagbabalita at magkaroon kayo ng dekada pang mga taon ng pagbabalita. Happy anniversary! Ito po si Princess Punzalan.
Hello! Happy anniversary to Abante Tonight. Happy 32nd anniversary, 32 years. Congrats and more power to you guys.
Hi, this is John Lapos. Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga articles in the past about me. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na reporters na patuloy na sumusuporta sa akin and to the whole staff of Abante Tonight. Congratulations! More power to all of you. And please take care of yourselves. Kailangan natin labanan itong pandemyang ito. Lalaban tayo ng sabay-sabay. Kakayanin natin ito. Again, happy anniversary sa inyong lahat. Mwah!
Hi everyone, this is Yamina of Limited Edition The Series. I would like to greet Abante Tonight a happy 32nd anniversary. Happy anniversary!
Ayan, happy 32nd year anniversary Abante Tonight. 32 years in the industry and still striving and still very successful. Congratulations to you guys and more power.
Hello! Happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. Grabe, ang tagal na ninyo. More power and to all the writers, blessings and more opportunities this year. Also, please stay safe. Mahal ko kayo and I appreciate all the good write-ups na ginawa nyo sa akin through the years. And more to come. Bye-bye!
Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight.
Hello, this is KitKat. Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. God bless everyone. Stay safe po. Mwah.
Hi everyone, this is Max Collins and I want to wish you a happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. Maraming salamat for all the support throughout these years and I wish you a wonderful, prosperous, and successful 2021. And may God bless you all. Don't forget to always keep safe and stay healthy.
Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. More power to you guys. God bless you.
Happy 32nd anniversary sa inyo Abante Tonight. More years pa. At God bless you po.
Happy anniversary Abante Tonight.
Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. More power and more news to come.
Hi! Happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. And kay Tito Roldan. Hope to see you guys and thank you support. Love you all.
Hi everyone, this is Shanice Eve from My Toxic Lover, the series. Sana po manood kayo. I just want to greet Abante Tonight ng happy 32nd anniversary. See you po!
Hello, this is Melanie, your Miss Earth Air 2018. I'd like to greet you a happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight.
Hi Abante Tonight, I just want to greet you a happy anniversary and I wish you all the best. Ingat po lagi and more power. God bless.
Hi, this is Vance Lorena. I wish Abante Tonight a happy 32nd anniversary. More years to come po at salamat po for all your love and support.
Hi, this is Kelvin Miranda and I just wish Abante Tonight a happy 32nd anniversary. God bless and mag-iingat po kayo palagi.
Happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. I love you guys. Wish you guys the best and stay safe, take care, and hope to see you soon. And yeah, love you guys.
Hi po, this is Vivery. I'd like to greet a happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. More years to come. God bless you po and always take good care. Mwah.
Hello po, it's Kylie Chari and I just want to say happy 32nd anniversary to Abante Tonight. I hope for more years to come. Take care po, God bless, and see you all soon.
Hi! Ako po si Charlie Dizon and gusto ko lang po kayong batiin na happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. Congratulations po and more blessings pa po sa inyo. Mwah!
Happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. Ayun po, maligayang anibersaryo po sa inyo at more years to come para sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat po and God bless po.
Hi, this is Bel Mariano and happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight.
Hello po, ako po si Jillian Vicencio at gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy 32nd anniversary ang Abante Tonight.
Hello po sa inyong lahat na bumubuo ng Abante Tonight. Si Jong Hilario po ito. At ako po ay malugod na bumabati sa inyo ng happy 32nd year anniversary. At ako po ay nagpapasalamat dahil lagi rin po ako nasa inyong mga balita. Siyempre po yung iba para ma-promote ko po ang aking mga ginagawa. Kaya naman po, maraming salamat at more power, happy anniversary po. God bless you more. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Hello po! Gusto ko lang pong bumati ng happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta po nyo sa Street Boys, kay Derechito Ronyo at sa akin po. Sana mas marami pa kayong mahatid na magagandang balita pa sa amin at sana mas magtagal pa po kayo. Again po, God bless you and more power. Thank you po! Happy anniversary!
Hi po, ako po si Ken Canuya na bumabati na happy 32 anniversary Abante Tonight. I wish more anniversary and more blessings, especially to editors and writers.
Hello po, si Ogie Ocasio po ito at binabati ko po ang Abante Tonight ng happy 32nd anniversary. Congratulations and God bless you. Maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo sa amin through all these years. God bless.
Happy 32nd anniversary sa Abante Tonight. We're celebrating with you.
Congratulations to Abante Tonight for your 32nd anniversary. Sana magtagal-tagal pa kayo at magkaroon pa ng maraming taon ng pagbabalita at pag-share ng mga makulugang balita, lalo-lalo na sa industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Good luck and congratulations again.
Happy 32nd year to Abante Tonight. May God bless you, stay longer, and sana po talagang tumatag pa ang Abante Tonight dahil kayo po ang isa po sa leading tabloid po sa ating bansa. God bless you all and happy anniversary ulit.
Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. Hello, Abante Tonight. How are you? This is Ronnie Liang. Happy 32nd anniversary sa inyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. More power. Stay healthy and safe. God bless.
Hi, ako po si Kich Minimoto. Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. Sayang wala ako dyan sa inyo, pero sana next time makasama ako dyan.
Greetings! Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. May you have many more interesting and substantial news or write-ups or columns in your newspaper, especially this year 2021 and the coming years ahead. So God bless you. Happy anniversary.
Hello po. Ito po si Susan Africa na bumabati sa inyo ng happy 32nd anniversary to Abante Tonight. More power to you and God bless you all.
Happy 32nd anniversary Abante Tonight. I wish you guys all the best, more power, more years to come, and may God bless the company more. Take care always.